What? You can't make your lead? Are you kidding me, man? Come on, you just did this to me last week. I don't have anyone else to cover the lead. Time out. Ever deal with that? Frustrated with trying to manage your capacity? Maybe missing appointments? Having to reschedule appointments? What's the cost that's doing to your business? Not to mention your reputation. And I'm trying to force somebody not working on their day off to cover somebody that is? Man, that is super frustrating. So guess what? We're going to give you the tips, tricks, and tools to allow you to learn capacity management, which is what the tricks of the top performers in the remodeling industry or any industry that you have where you're managing people, leads, and capacity. This is one of the biggest tricks to increase your KPIs, basically your closing ratio, your revenue per lead, your efficiencies, and not to mention, yes, your culture. This is one of the biggest tricks to maximizing your income, profitability, KPIs. Be sure to sign up. Get on the link. Make sure right now we're offering a very reduced rate for the capacity planning course you're absolutely going to love. Again, don't be like the phone call in the beginning of this. Stop paying dumb tax and learn how to maximize your team, your efficiency, your process, and once and all, stop paying dumb tax. Again, see you on the board, and I can't wait to see what you think. Thanks, guys. Bye.